Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be looking at a few new features in Google Meet. So let's get started. There are several ways that you can join a meeting in Google Meet. One way is through Google Calendar and another is by generating a link in Google Classroom. Now, we've already generated the link for today's tutorial, so I'm just going to paste it here and join the meeting. In the last video of our Google Meet series, we would have shown how to create these links, so I'll leave the link to those videos in the cards above. At this point, you can turn on or off your microphone and camera. Bear in mind that Google will ask permission to use your camera and microphone before you begin. When you're done, you can join the meeting. In the bottom left, you will see host controls and meeting details. In meeting details, you can see the link of the meeting, copy and share it with others, and you can also view any attachments uploaded for the class. In host controls, you can determine whether everyone is able to send messages in the chat or share their screen. If you click on View All Host Settings, a window will pop up and you can see everything in detail. You can also toggle quick access from here, which means that the host must join first, only persons invited to the meeting can join, and everyone else must ask the host to join. These are a few of the conditions for quick access. You can also view the host controls in meeting details in the top right corner. Next, we're going to look at how to record your meeting and troubleshooting. If you want to record your class, simply click the three dots in the bottom right corner and select Record Meeting at the top. Google will then prompt you to make sure that everyone is ready. When you start, you will see the red record icon in the left corner as you record. When you're finished, simply click the three dots again and click Stop Recording. All recordings will be stored in a folder on your drive called Meet Recordings. You will also receive an email notifying you that your recording has been saved to the drive. If you're having a few technical difficulties with the session, click the three dots again and select Troubleshooting and Help. This window provides you with a few general tips for network stability and system load. It also shows your connection delay and your CPU usage. For example, if you're getting a lag in your session, it may be helpful to close any other tabs you have open in your browser. In the Help section, you can also view links to articles provided by Google for further assistance. When you click any of the links, it will open in a new tab. Another new update is the addition of the Raise Hands feature. With this feature, if a student has a question or wants to make a point, they can click Raise Hand right next to the camera icon at the bottom. Once they do this, you will hear a ping and it will appear in the meeting details window in the top corner. And from there, you can acknowledge the student. You can lower one student's hand or lower all hands that are raised during the session. Even you, the host, can raise your hand, say if you have a panel discussion or a guest speaker. At the end of your class, you can also remove participants before you leave the meeting. If you leave the meeting without removing anyone, the session will still be going on. Just note, however, once you remove someone, they can't rejoin the class. Before we wrap up this video, I just want to show you an example of how to start a new meeting without generating a link. So when you click Join or Start Meeting, give your meeting a name. Let's call this one Math Module 1, for example, and click Continue. So the process is the same at this point. You can turn on or off your microphone and camera. We also have a new feature where you can click the three dots in the top right hand corner and click Change Background. You can also select the icon at the bottom, in the bottom right corner, which will do the same thing. Here, you can have the opportunity to choose whatever kind of colorful option you want to make your background look more appealing. If you disable your camera, you cannot change the background. If you want to change your background, your camera has to be turned on. Once you've done this, you can click Join Now. Once you start this meeting, you will see a pop-up window asking you to add participants to your meeting, and you can either click Add People or you can copy Joining Info. And there, once you copy Joining Info, you will copy the link and you can share that link however you'd like with your participants. And that's it. If you want to see how to change your camera or microphone settings, I'll leave the link for that video in the cards above as well. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. We also have a link for more tips and resources in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching.